Guys, let your money work for you, okay? With your money on Binance, with your money on your local bank is wasting. Take your money to Binance right now. Take your money to Binance right now, deposit it on spot or on wallet, and this is what I'm doing with as little as just $160 right now in my wallet, in my future wallet. Look at what is going on. As small as this profit you are seeing, it is big money in Nigeria, and I'm showing you why it is big money. As you can see, I'm making 0.2 on this LTC trade right now, and I'm not the one closing this deal. Before, you have to come here and start closing this position. I'm working right now offline and I'm making this money. Who is closing this profit for me right now? Do you know who is closing this profit for me right now? The profit you are seeing, do you know who is closing it? Is Tafabot. Tafabot is the tool that is closing the profit for me. Are you seeing the profit? So now my money is on Binance. As you can see, the trade is going on Binance. My capital and my profit, they are going into my Binance, into my Binance future wallet right now. But the person who is closing that position for me is called Tafabot. Look at it. I'm trading LTC. Look at exact time. I'm shooting this video right now at 9 a.m. The last time Tafabot closed profit for me is 8:57, which was just 3 minutes ago, November 24, as you can see. LTC. Atom. Look at Atom. I'm trading Atom. And who is closing the profit for me as I'm trading Atom right here, as you can see? If this place go green right now, who is going to close this position? I'm not the one, because I'm too busy for that. Let my money work for me. And this is what Tafabot is doing. Look at the time, 9 a.m., November 24. As young as the day is, with $150, I've already make $13 profit and loss. This is my profit, guys. Look at the closing. So who set this up? The setup is there. Okay, this is all I did on Tafabot. All I did was to set up my own bot. You can copy bot if you don't know what to set up your own bot. And as you can see, what did I set up for LTC that is bringing more to me now? Look at my setup on LTC and look at the profit. I say LTC. I say this bot, Tafabot. This is LTC bot I set up, which is the coin I'm trading. Anytime I'm having 0.5 US dollar as profit, take profit, please close the deal for me. And that is exactly what is going on here. So you can see my future wallet. If this my LTC go to 0.5 now, or even less as it is 0.2 US dollar profit, Tafabot is closing the profit for me. Let me go to my profit on Tafabot. So look at the profit. That is exactly what is going on. You can see LTC at exactly 8:55 a.m., which is, we are now 9:02 a.m., which was 6 minutes ago. I have $1 profit, and Tafabot closed it for me. At the same time again, at exactly 1:55 again, I'm having 1.2. It closed for me. Then LTC right now, let me even refresh. So now LTC right now was the last one at exactly 8:57. It closed $0.2 for me, guy. Instead of making your money waste in your local bank, why don't you get your money into Binance account, register with Binance, and buy license on Tafabot, so that this tool will be closing your profit for you? Remember, your money, your capital, and your profit is here on your on your exchange, being it KuCoin, Barbit, Wobi, or Binance. I'm using Binance for example. This bot will keep closing profit for you. All you need to do is buy a license. I'm using a license of $100 a year, so that this bot will be closing profit for me on all my trade. Every minute this bot will close a profit for me, as you can see. And the only thing I need to do so that this bot will work for me is to buy a fuel. If you check my wallet now, I have like $59 fuel. This is where they charge their 1% for. If they make $10 profit for you, as you can see, I've made so far today $10. I've made more than $10. They charge me $1 for every $10, and that is the money I deposited on Tafabot, which is the fuel. You can deposit at $20 or $25, so that when they make profit for you on your exchange, they will be taking 1%. If they make $100 for you, they are taking only 10 $10. If they make $10 for you profit, I think for today they have taken $1.03, which is their own share of the business. Okay, your money is not here, your investment is not here, your money is on your exchange. Why Tafabot do the job of closing for you? Even while I was sleeping, remember that even before I wake up this morning, I've already made some profit. Okay, looking at the time, okay, around 6:20 a.m. Okay, so while I have not even brushed, I set it up, I went to brush, I went to take my bath, and look at it. As I'm shooting this video now, LTC have make more profit. Are you seeing it now? Look at the time. Look at my time now, 9:04, and look at the time it makes it. This is just 9:03. Guy, is this not real? This is Zach at Opportunities Niche, guy. If you have been on my YouTube, you know I don't recommend rubbish, okay? So it's going on. So if you are a newbie, you don't have to worry. The VIP group is here. Everything will be given to you in this VIP group on how to do everything. Mirror trading. As a newbie, you don't have to set up your own board. You can just come here and mirror trade. You can see a lot of mirror trade. This Scott is a tough guy. He's an expert. If you mirror his trade, you must surely make profit. And this Chawa. So as a newbie, no worry. Just copy one of these boards. I will just copy one of these bots now and go and sleep. Okay, you can see LTC is even here, so you can copy BTC. You can if I just copy this bot now, I will just say set up my I will put my stop loss at 20%. So this bot will go into, okay, I've already exceeded maximum of bot I can use with my $100, which is 5 bot. Okay, so this bot will be working for you. So as a newbie, you don't have to worry. Just mirror trade, and in the VIP community they teach you every day, so that at the later on, while you are making profit, the mirror or copy trades making profit for you, you will also learn how to customize your own bot, just like I have did in my own bot. You can see the bot I've customized by myself. Okay, the bot I've customized by myself, future bot. I'm trading on future, guy. I love future trading. No matter the risks in it, I still love it because that is where more money is. But for safe trading, you can also, do spot. Okay, guy, with the community on Telegram and with the community on WhatsApp here, there are many Tafabot leadership group, Tafabot this and that, even on Telegram. So you will get all the help. And if you come through me, you are getting my exact configuration of how to use your $100, like you can see from my future wallet. I'm using $100, just $150 to use to do, to trade different coins. I'm trading Store, I'm trading LTC, I'm trading Atom, I'm trading Gala, and each of these coins is bringing profit for me. So if you join if you use my link to register, I will be your upline, meaning that you can chat me direct to give you personal guidance apart from the guidance you get from the community Zoom meeting and Google Meet meeting. Okay, so guys, I'm not doing this because you are registering order as my darling. I'm doing this because when I was going into this business, I was not going it because of you. I was going in because I want to trade, and that is the trading I'm doing. And right now, without you or with you, I'm making my profit. You can see my profit early this morning, 9:07 a.m. with just $150. I've already made $40 before today end. In our Nigeria time to 6 p.m., I believe this place must have turned to about 20 to 30. Okay, with just $100. What if I trade with $1,000? What if I trade with $1,000? So if you want to see my exact strategy to be making this little how I set up my own personal bot, you register with the link I put in the description of this video. Okay, so go to my YouTube right now. As you are watching this video, you are on YouTube already. Okay, so what I'm just saying that is that if you are watching my video right now on YouTube, okay, so what I'm just saying is that if you are watching this video on YouTube, some people don't actually know like how to, you are watching this video on
Alright
YouTube.
guys, in this
So
video I'm
just go
going
to
to show you
description
how
here.
to
Okay,
bind
this is where
your
you go to description.
Binance
Okay,
API
so once
to
you click
Tafabot,
here
so that
more, you will
Tafabot,
see all the
as
links
a
that you
tool,
need
it
to
will help
register.
you to
You
be
sign up
closing
on
position
Tafabot.
and be making
If you want to
profit for
watch more
you every
video,
second. You understand?
if you want to watch more video, okay, this is how you go to more. Then you click on the sign up button for Tafabot. If you have not registered on Binance before, you sign up with this my link so that you will be my downline. I will be able to give you personal assistance. Okay, so now if you have registered on Binance, just sign up on Tafabot, buy a license. And if you don't know how to buy a license, go to Opportunities Niche here. Okay, then just go to playlist. Okay, click on playlist. Just click on opportunity, click playlist, and locate this Tafabot and Binance Crypto. There are about 7 videos right now here, so you will see everything concerning how to create account on Binance, concerning how to buy license on Tafabot, how to set up your bot on Tafabot, and everything. Then also, if you click on the video description like I've shown you while you are watching the video, and you click on the description of any video on my channel,
will help you to be.
then you just go here. You want to contact me, you can just click on more, then you contact me. See the contact, the contact group is always here. Okay, I always leave my, what is it called, I always leave you in the video you will be watching. You will see chat me. Okay, you will chat me on how to get more information. Okay, you just join the group to chat me. Thank you.